Some people are smart and some people are happy and fun to work with, and some of them are enthusiastic. But when we get an Excel intern, we get everything in one box.
Each of us have like 4 different job descriptions, and it's including our interns. They are exposed to everything that is happening in the company.
Come to the internship eager to learn, asking questions, learning everything you can about the company, not being afraid to meet new people and be yourself. You're gonna have such a positive experience.
Understands how entrepreneurs think and what the other side of the table looks like of what you look for in an entrepreneur.
So we've heard from a lot of really cool speakers this summer, but probably my favorite sessions are the ones that are led by members of the cohort.
Today I will be talking about value investing.
But we're going to be looking at the history of cyberspace up until like some of the biggest cyber attacks that have happened in recent history.
If you have it spiced with caraway is caraway seeds, powdered caraway seeds. This is the secret ingredient of shakshuka.
You want to tell them the group name?
But we decided on red hot shakshuka peppers.
My favorite piece of advice that I took away from her lecture was when she said, the best confident is to be confident when you don't know something. And I took that with me through the entire summer.
So guys, today we had a session with Danny Dayan, the General Consul of Israel in New York. It was a very interesting experience, and I was very glad to learn from him and to hear his unique point of view, and I'm looking forward to the next events.
What we found out during COVID-19 is how important is the community and how important is the ability to actually have so many people, so many talented and gifted people really work towards a common goal.
I love everything outdoors, like hiking, biking, running, skiing, all that.
Hello guys, good morning! So, my name is Neil Spector.
Hi guys, I'm Ari, I'm from London. I'm part of the 2020 XL cohort and I will be taking over Birthright's Instagram page today.
So hey everyone, my name is Yoni Cohen, study data analytics in IDC, and I'm gonna take over today.